If you have not subscribed this channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for the more upcoming video updates.
Hello guys, my name is Bhavik and you are watching channel Top Trend. Today we got a news that Xiaomi has confirmed that they are going to launch the Mi A2 on this month April 25th. Yes, the report has been confirmed by the few specifications that we have surfaced online on the website. The successor to the Mi A1 is said to be dubbed as Mi A2 and is expected to make its entry in the Chinese market and the rest of the Asian market very soon. Unlike the A1, the Mi A2 is said to have a vertical stacked camera unit like the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Smartphone will have a f2.0 aperture with a 20 megapixel and f1.8 aperture with 8 megapixel of dual camera lens, accompanied by LED flash. On the front, the phone will support a 20 megapixel selfie snapper. On the front, it has a 5.99-inch FHD Plus display with the 18:9 aspect ratio. The Mi A2 will pack a smaller 2910 mAh battery and will have a dual SIM support with the other basic connectivity options. The smartphone will have a metal unibody design curved with antennas bent on the top and the bottom edges as seen on the Mi A1. Since the Mi A1 was the first phone to come with the Android One, we expect the same with the next phone as well. The Android One phone comes with a bloatware-free Android UI, which many users have appreciated. While the newly launched Redmi Note 5 have a micro USB port, the A2 will continue with an USB Type-C port. Moreover, it is said to come in the thin body at just 7.3 mm. The Mi A1 was also 7.3 mm thin, which means we might see a similar form factor as this time as well. From the point of view of the price, we can expect the Xiaomi Mi A2 can have the 15,999 rupees, or you can say 200 euros as per the international market. So that's it from the Top Trend. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to click the subscribe button for the more new updates about the videos.